Ο κύριος Higgins προηγουμένως, συγγνώμη. Ο κύριος Higgins για ένα λεπτό.
Thank you, Madam President. The General Fisheries Commission for the Mediterranean Agreement Area is extremely welcome. The GFCM's objectives are clear. They are to promote the development, the conservation, the rational management and the best utilisation of living marine resources, as well as the sustainable development of aquaculture in the Mediterranean, the Black Sea and connecting seas and waters. I very much welcome today's vote, which will allow for the sustainable exploitation of fishery sources in the Mediterranean area. As Mr Jarr has said, and as the previous speaker has said, all policies and initiatives, given our depleted fish stocks, must, and I emphasise must, be based on sustainable exploitation. Thank you, President.
Ευχαριστώ πολύ. Η κυρία Ντόντς είναι εγγεγραμμένη, έχει ζητήσει να πάρει το λόγο, αλλά δεν φαίνεται στην αίθουσα και θα δώσω το λόγο στον κύριο